this makeup tutorial. Keep on watching. So I was using this palette, which Sunset Palette. I got it in Sheglam. I was using the purple color to make the outer color turn different than the other ones. It's gonna be like a smooth beam. Plus the color is good. The Caprice Beauty is gonna be different color, like a pinkish reddish tone. So I just keep on doing it to the other side too. Now we start like to do it like in dots so it can form it really well and good together. As always, using this one to do my colors also. I was gonna use the pinkish tones. Oh my god, Chris, this time I just did it. And I just did it in circular motion so it blends well with the other color that I did it. I like those colors, they're so nice and it's safe for summer. I was gonna take that palette, I think I took in Mexico, I don't think so. It was a great eyeshadow, I loved it. I barely started with those colors. Beauties, I'm using this glittering. I love this glittering. I put it on the outside because I wanted to show more. I like how I did the colors, they will work so well. I use my Sheglam foundation. It's a base, it's a little bit lighter but it's okay. I use a concealer that is more darker, so we got it correct, beauties. So I just keep on blending it really well so it sticks on every part of my face. I'm not a big fan of this foundation, but I wanted to use this foundation on this video because it does works well when adding eyeshadows and everything. So here I was using the powder I used so it could blend the face so well, so pretty. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I noticed a difference. My face looked like really nice. It's because I added the powder too, so it makes it more nice. I showed the eyeshadow because I used it down my eyelid. And I pretty like the color that I made. I don't know, it made us look more pretty, more nicer. I'm using this as a blush. I don't know, I like the color as a blush, like the darker colors, red colors. And I used the eye blush. I love the color. It was like a orange, dark orange, almost like a red. And like I said, I was doing my time so I can blend the colors well. I don't want it too much, but I just wanted to notice it. And I was using the lip liner, and then after that I put a matte color that's a red. I don't know if you can. Oh my gosh, beauties, I love red so much. Red and pink. I don't like really light pink, no, but something that shows in the medium. So there I was in it, and then I used this color. It's like a red rose. I like this one because I use it after I put the eyebrows. I paint my eyebrows and then I use it after so I can stay the color that I added on my eyebrows. I really like it. I have like a week or 2 weeks with that, and I'm using this highlighter. It's nice. I like it because it does shine your face when you add it. So beauties, this is a plumper highlighter. It does sting your face a little bit, te arde, but it's all good. It's like it has vitamins because it does like you feel like something tingerish on your face. But I love this product so much because it does show highlighter when they actually notice it, people. And sometimes they compliment you. So I love this product, and this is my favorite eyeliner for right now. Adding this eyeliner, basically like a basic eyeliner. I love the makeup that I added into my face. I was so proud of the beauty creation I did to you guys, beauties. After that, I used this one for my eyelashes. On this moment I didn't use fake eyelashes, so I used just this one so I can undo my eyelashes, go more, have more volume, beauties. I think that's it, beauties. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment. I really appreciate it.